Welcome to Finance with Usman channel.
Hi, many organizations only record expenses but they don't analyze them. Here in this video, I'm going to analyze expenses using the SUM and SUMIF function. Stay tuned. So, this is a record of Usman Enterprise expenses for the month of January 2024. As you can see, highlighted, and we need to get the business done. So let's get the total expenses. Analyze the total expenses using the SUM function. Click on this column, click on equals to, click on SUM, I'll select SUM, then I'll highlight the SUM range. Highlighting the SUM range, click on enter, and here I've gotten the total expense for the month. So I'm not satisfied with that. I need to get the expenses total for each categories, such as rent, salaries, utilities, and others. So how do I do that? Using the SUMIF function. So let's just randomly pick salaries. Let's pick salaries. So using the SUMIF function, I'll click on equals to, then type SUMIF on the keyboard, select SUMIF because there's SUMIF and there's SUMIF. So automatically it's giving me an option of what to do next, which is the range. How do I get the range? The range is the categories and the amounts in which I want to work to, and I need to highlight them. I need to select them as from C3 to D17. That's for this record in this sheet. So I'll select from C3 rather to D17. D17, select for the range, comma, click on comma, then the next point is the criteria. What's criteria? Criteria is the salaries. That's what we randomly need to work on. Salaries. Or click on salaries. Select the salaries C4, and also click on command. Then the next option is the SUM range. SUM range. Select the SUM range also again. Close my bracket. Then click on enter. So as you can see, I've gotten the total expense for salaries for the month of January. Confirm that first salary is 620. The second salary, you can see on my screen. Add them together, get 695. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.